up, everyone? Welcome back to another video on Juice and Toya.
Hey, welcome back.
Today we're taking you guys through a quick 10-minute workout that you can do to help you strengthen your push-ups. Or if you can't do a push-up or can't do that many, this workout will help you to strengthen the proper muscles to be able to do a push-up.
Oh yeah, so for the workout format, we're gonna take you through a total of 8 different exercises, 40 seconds of work, 20 seconds of rest throughout the entire workout.
Oh yeah.
So there's no modifications for this workout. Each and every exercise is a modified version of a push-up variation, okay? So hopefully by the end of this workout, you'll feel your muscles in the right areas. And if you do this workout often enough, you'll be able to do push-ups with no problem, all right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna open up the muscles that go into the push-ups first with a nice warm-up, and then we're gonna get right into it.
Let's get into it.
Hey.
All right, so that finishes up our little 10-minute push-up video, and hopefully you can feel the nice little pump and activation of all of those muscles that will engage and help you to become better at push-ups.
Oh yeah, and if you find that some of the exercises were still a little bit too difficult, do as many reps as you can within that 40 seconds. This is why we made the video, for you to keep practicing, keep working at it every single week, every single day if you want to, and then over time you'll notice that a lot of these variations will get easier and you'll be able to do push-ups more efficiently, all right?
Absolutely.
So keep working at it and you got it, all right? So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like what you see, hit that subscribe button for us.
Please and thank you.
We'll really appreciate it. Also, if you want more content, we have the Juice and Toya app available. We'll link that down in the description. We have more workouts. We have recipes, nutrition.
All the fun stuff.
Yes, content you can't find anywhere else, all right?
All
so
right,
go
guys.
check that out.
All right, that's it for today. We will see you guys
At the next one.
one.